Hello everyone, how are you all? Today we are on lesson number 4, page number 37, and I will send you question answers of lesson 3 in PDF. So I am explaining this lesson number 4 and what is in this lesson about animals. So have you ever visited any national park? Any wildlife sanctuary have you visited? So those have visited, they know in parks there are a variety of animals. So you can see this picture. I am excited about the jungle safari. Have you ever been on a safari before? Yes, I had gone to Jim Corbett National Park. I saw a large variety of animals. So we can see different types of animals in national parks if you have visited. Now, there is a great variety of animals on the earth. These animals differ from each other in many ways. As we also know that there are different types of animals, and animals are different in many ways by their physical appearance and habits. So, we have seen many animals, and we are familiar the animals that are present near our house as pet animals, farm animals. So some animals are similar in their appearance and habits. Characteristics of animals. Animals show great diversity in their shapes, size and colors. It is correct or not? Animals show great variety, great diversity in their shapes, size, and colors. They have different body parts. They have different types of body covering. Yes, such as fur, feathers, scales. They are the different types of body covering. There is also a difference in the way they move and the way they reproduce. So animals show great diversity in their shape, size and colors. As you have seen, elephant is a very big animal and ant is a very small animal, and they have different body parts. As animals live in water, have different body parts, and animals live on earth have different body parts. They have lungs and they have gills to breathe, and they have different organs to move from one place to another place. So these are the characteristics of animals. So what are characteristics? Characteristics are different. Characteristic are the property of any animal. So description of animals according to their size, shape and colors. Look at animals on this page. This is page number 38. There are different types of animals. What difference do you see in their size, shape and color? Now see horse, elephant. Size, shape or color. Colors are different. Size also different. This is ostrich, rat, rabbit. Are they look similar all? No, they all look different. Animals differ in their size, Some animals are very big, like elephants, giraffe, and ostrich. Animals differ in their size. Some animals are very big, like elephants, giraffes, and ostriches. On the other hand, some are very small, like rats, rabbits, lizards, and squirrel. It is correct, yes. Elephant is very big, and rat and rabbit, according to the elephant, they are very small. Giraffe is very big. Ostrich is big, but rat is very small. One of the smallest mammal on earth. Smallest means very small. Name kitty is hog-nosed. Bat also none. Bumblebee rat. Size 2.8 to 3.3 centimeter. Oh, it is very small. Weight about 2 gram. Habitat limestone caves. Limestone caves means live on stones. The tiny bat is found in Thailand. Where it found? In Thailand. In Thailand. What is the name? Kitty is hog-nosed. So animals are different. Some are very big and some are very small. Animals also differ in their shapes. Shapes also. You can see the shape of starfish, like a star. Rhinoceros, very different. Birds are also different from terrestrial animals, animals that live on land. Snake shape also different. So every animal have different shapes. Now we are discussing science talk. Some living things are very tiny and cannot be seen with our naked eyes. So we are discussing about now animals that can we see, but some animals also we can't see by our eyes. They are called microorganism. Can you see bacteria? Can you see virus? No. So they are microorganism. They can only be seen through microscope. Bacteria are also microorganism. You might have heard about bacteria, but have you ever seen bacteria? Some bacteria are harmful to people. Harmful bacteria can also cause illness such as sore throat, diarrhea, tooth decay, and so on. These are the diseases caused by bacteria. Bacteria causes disease in our body or animal's body. So what can be the diseases? The diseases are sore throat, diarrhea, tooth decay. But every bacteria is not bad. Some bacteria are useful to us, as some bacteria use to turn milk into curd. So they are good bacteria. But some bacteria live in our intestine also, in our stomach. They helpful to digest food. Some animals can change their body color to match the environment, as chameleon. When we see chameleon near the ground, so color will look like a brown. If we see chameleon on plants, we can see color green. So chameleon can change its color easily. So colors of animals help them to survive safely in different environment. Even the same type of animals can differ in their body color. Same type of animal can differ in their body color, as dogs. As dogs are similar in color? No. All cats are similar in color? No, some are brown, some are black, some are white. As rat also, some rats are white, some rats are black. So animals are also not similar in their colors also. So we have discussed about today, animals have different shapes, different size and different color. And animals that we cannot see, they are called microorganism. They causes diseases in us. And animals also, they are called microorganism. They are bacteria, virus, but all bacteria are not bad. Some bacteria are good for our body. They are helpful to us. So what you will do, you will read this lesson and you will make underline on difficult words. Thank you very much. Thank you, class.